What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of the videos and a lot of the questions that I get, I say it all the time, is mainly price related. People want my take on whether things are going to get to a certain place. And honestly, it's very difficult for anybody to truly predict exactly where a position is going, exactly where the market is going. We can try and give our predictions, but it's merely just our opinion. And if we're right more often than not. If we're right more often than not, it doesn't mean that the next time we will be right as well. It's kind of just lucky that we got to that point. Yes, we have some data behind it and what we are looking at there, but I want you to understand that you guys need to take these leaps based off of your own gut feeling as well as hearing some information, right? Because if you have no information, if you just go in blind and go XRP is going to $5 trillion and you just throw it in there without understanding at least what XRP is, then that's a different story. But if you're, following people just based off of, what they are saying, I'll tell you that that's not the right thing to do, right? And that's coming from someone who is telling you information and putting out videos consistently on XRP, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic, all these different things that are out there, right? So today I wanted to talk about XRP, and I hear so much about the fact that this will be worth so much more. And specifically, people are like, hey, this is going to be worth trillions. And I'm like, well, where is Bitcoin going to fall in when it comes to XRP being worth trillions? Where would Bitcoin be? Where would Ethereum be? And the conversation always leads to the fact that they may be below XRP because XRP will have that much value. So let's talk about this, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, I wanted to start this by talking about this, which has come out today, where the market cap for XRP ended up getting into the trillions on Gemini. You saw it at a like $50 price point for a certain period of time. So XRP temporarily surged to $50 on a crypto exchange, Gemini, which rocketed the token's market capitalization to trillions of dollars, if only for a few minutes. So it was only for a few minutes that you saw that this was at this level, but it's not saying that it was like some sort of error and that XRP is supposed to be at these levels right now. There's not that error. Like it's not like AMC to where you have a ton of shorts that are going into it. Yes, you might have some shorts that are going around, but it's not about people extensively shorting the position, or sorry, excessively shorting the position, and seeing the price just quickly react to it and then go back down to show where the price should be. That's not how this really works. That's not what we're seeing there. So don't think that just because things shot up to a $50 price and it's worth trillions for a second, it doesn't mean that it was actually worth trillions. Now, there is a process to where we will see XRP that's insanely more valuable and truly does become the world currency. When we look at Bitcoin is known to be one, really the cryptocurrency project that really started the market, that started the crypto trend and all of these other things that are being created in different ways and different protocols and proof of stake versus proof of work and all of that stuff, right? So it's something that started it, but it's also known or talked about as the only form of utility that it would have is to be the world currency. Well, it really doesn't make sense to get to that point, right? Because of one, the how inefficient it is when it comes to energy usage and all of that, and slowness when you understand that there are markets out there that can do so many more transactions per second. So it's obviously still looked at there and still understood as the gold standard for cryptocurrency, but you see a lot that have an ability to do to cost less, faster transaction times, all of these other things that we really want to see when it comes to just making a standard transaction. When I take my dollar out and give it to somebody, that's a fast transaction. I don't want anything else. I don't want any extra costs. Maybe you'll have a tax here and there, but I don't want any extra costs. And I just want to make sure that I get my product that I'm trying to buy. And that's the case which you would see with XRP, right? After not being labeled a security, it opens up a lot of doors. Yes, you still have an appeal, but it opens up a lot of doors for XRP and for cryptocurrency in general. Now, currently XRP's price is sitting at around 62, 63 cents. We haven't really seen it make a move today. We only really see, Shiba Inu making a move. The rest of the market looks kind of down, honestly. And it's at a 33.1 or $33.2 billion market cap. The volume, we're seeing that at 37%, actually at a $905 million worth of volume. And then also seeing the volume to market cap looking at around 2.7%. So we're not really seeing any type of real popularity that's there right now. Recently, we've seen this up to 95-ish cents, right? 94, 95-ish cents. And it was really resisting at that level of $1. Now, there are a ton of predictions out there to where they talk about different analysts saying that, it can get to a level of $100. Well, not only would that be the $50 range that it got to where it reached trillions of dollars, it would be $100 where it reaches double that point, multiple trillions of dollars that we're seeing for XRP, which would skyrocket it well above Bitcoin. And honestly, when you look at things that have use cases, if this is going to be a use case bull run, it makes sense that XRP kind of would be above Bitcoin or Ethereum. Ethereum, maybe, because Ethereum, I think, will overtake Bitcoin. Bitcoin will still be there for nostalgic reasons, but Ethereum is a lot more has a lot more of a use case, and so does BNB, honestly. But they have a lot more of a use case through transactions and being able to pay fees with Ethereum, with BNB and XRP, seeing that level of being the world, the digital currency for the world, and not only just one country is really honing in on that cryptocurrency. You're seeing the whole world that's deciding to do that, from different imports and exports and all of these other things that you can do with another form of currency, another form of payment. So honestly, for me, as I look at all of the different data, it just screams that XRP is going to be worth so much more than a lot of people think. And yes, you have some people that are just looking at the market cap and going, yes, $2 billion, $10 billion, $5 billion, whatever, $100 billion. It makes sense to get to that point, but they're missing a zero. It could be $1 trillion, $2 trillion, $3 trillion, right? Those levels that we could see it get to, rather than 100 billion or 200 billion or 300 billion. It's honestly, I can't wait. Like, I'm anxious to see what it does, but I'm not necessarily saying that I'm holding everything for that point. My overall strategy and what I'm doing. I always find a way to take profit as I have my initial investment that is met. But as time goes on, I definitely will hold some. If we can find a way to get this to $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 is some of the predictions that I've seen, I'm going to have some XRP that's sitting in my wallet. It just makes sense. So let me know what you're thinking about XRP. I know it could be a stretch as you're looking at market cap, but a lot of people ignore market cap when it comes to this, and it's just looking at the price and understanding what it would mean for the globe, not just for a specific country. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.